What is up, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how you can unsubscribe from your Filmora subscription. So the first thing you have to do is you have to create a new project. Once that's done, you have to head over to your own profile right over there, and then you have to go on manage my account. Once that's done, you have to go on plan and products, scroll right down and go down to manage subscription, and then you have to go to manage plan. And then there'll be an option for you to do cancel subscription. So you press on that if you want to cancel your subscription. Once that's done, you guys have to go on continue. You have to go, and then they're gonna ask you for a reason. Just say something like it's too expensive, I guess, and then just continue. And then there'll be another place that's going to continue the, and then you can confirm that you've finished and you've unsubscribed. And there you go. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in a bit.